All right, folks, what we have here is the receipt printer for Shopify point of sale on the iPad. This is a Star Micronics TSP-143. This is the Wi-Fi version. So really what's gonna happen here is we're gonna take a look at this receipt printer. It's gonna be pretty standard. You're gonna be able to see a lot of these around your town, in shops. It's a very often used receipt printer with most point of sale systems. The reason this one's special is that it pairs to your Wi-Fi instead of plugging in with USB. A lot of these do USB, and that would be because they're hooking up to a computer. But since this one is going to be talking to our iPad, which I'll just pull over here, since it's going to be speaking to the iPad for the Shopify POS, this one is going to connect to your Wi-Fi, and then the iPad will just talk through your network to speak to this receipt printer. It has a regular kick cable, which is a little cable that goes to your cash drawer so that your iPad, your Shopify POS can actually signal the receipt printer to kick open the cash drawer. That should work out just fine. We can open the top here, and this is where you're going to put the paper very easily, and you pull out the front and just shut it. And then you just use thermal paper, which you can pick up pretty much anywhere, online mostly. We'll probably have a link down there for that too. But this also has an auto cutter, so you don't have to rip your receipts off. It cuts them for you. And there you have it. That's the Shopify POS Wi-Fi printer for pairing up with your iPad for Shopify POS. If you'd like to pick one of these up, or if you have any questions about Shopify POS, go ahead and follow the links down below, and we'd be happy to help you out. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. You have yourself an excellent day.